IPL 2021 started in India in a massive shadow of the growing COVID-19 cases within the country, with daily fresh cases breaking global records on multiple days. But within the biosecure bubbles of IPL franchises, the tournament was conducted in the first half of the league stages without any incidents. But a BCCI release on the morning of May 3rd clarified that two players from the Kolkata Knight Riders camp, Varun Chakravarti and Sandeep Warrier, had tested positive in the third round of testing in the last 4 days, while all other KKR players have for now tested negative. Kolkata Knight Riders, who were scheduled to play the Royal Challengers Bangalore in Game 30 at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad, that game now stands rescheduled. Later in the day, news also emerged of CSK staff members testing positive, although none of them are players, but these are staff members in close contact with the CSK team. As we have learnt that the Kolkata Knight Riders team has gone into quarantine for 7 days, where they will be tested every day to locate any other positive cases and for them to be isolated. We understand that the CSK management may go the same route as well, isolating all players for 7 days while testing all of them every day. This comes in the wake of growing murmurs and unease within IPL franchises, especially with overseas players with concerns around growing COVID-19 cases in India. Overseas players like Kane Richardson and Adam Zampa from the RCB and Andrew Tye from the Rajasthan Royals have already flown back to their countries, citing the growing number of COVID-19 cases in India as one of the reasons. There are also reports of similar concerns being sounded by overseas broadcasters within these IPL biosecure bubbles, and they are also mulling over similar decisions. What all of this does is that it brings a question mark over the future of IPL 2021. But the current cluster caravan format was devised keeping in mind a situation like this, which means that the Delhi leg of the tournament can continue in case there are no positive cases there. Another implication of positive cases within biosecure bubbles is on the T20 World Cup that is scheduled to take place later this year in India. Earlier, BCCI President Sourav Ganguly said that he was confident of hosting the best T20 World Cup in India. But then last week, a BCCI official clarified that there is indeed a plan B of shifting it to the UAE in case things don't improve in India on the COVID front. As of now, there is a pall of uncertainty over what next in IPL 2021. As for all other updates and news regarding anything in the world of cricket, make sure that you stay tuned to CricBuzz.